everybody. Welcome to Basile Garage YouTube channel. Before I'm gonna go ahead and go in detail what we're going to work on today, I just wanna tell you, if you like our channel, or maybe this is the first time, welcome to our channel, Basile Garage. If you've been following our channel, appreciate that, thanks, with your love. But at the same time, give us a subscribe, and at the same time a like if you like those videos, and also click on the bell down below so that way you can get an alert when we upload a new video. So welcome, thank you for coming to our channel. Well, you can tell it's just me today, or I should say tonight, in the garage. The kids are inside the house and I'm like, I'm going to have some quiet time to myself. Well, it's just me and you guys, so you can see me, but I cannot see you. So anyways, what are we going to do today is install a new Ktuned race spec shifter that they have just released. As you can tell, this is actually the race spec shifter that I got from Ktuned. And there's absolutely nothing whatsoever wrong with it. The only thing is, there's a lot of China companies or whatever, whoever makes them, they copy their shifter. So now, I had to get a another battery from the charger because this one was dead. Oh, there's my glasses. No, there's those. Oh yeah. Let's see here. Do I look cool or what? Oh yeah, definitely. So much cooler. Oh my goodness. So much hotness. I don't know. How can Monika take it all in? So, like I said, there's a lot of companies, well, not a lot, there's maybe one company or two that actually copy Ktuned shifter, and they're out there selling it and maybe making a killer because they're selling it for maybe half the price what Ktuned sells the shifter. So we already have a new Ktuned shifter from Ktuned, and what they did, they upgraded the mechanism. I think the brass part and the springs rate are different, and then they kind of make this smoother. So once I take this shifter off, I'll put it side by side so you can kind of see the differences on both of them. So this is the one that's on here. There's absolutely nothing. It goes to all the gears. Awesome. You know, so yeah. Okay guys, so a lot of people are wondering what's going on. Like I mentioned it before, there's a lot of knockoffs out there. There's few knockoffs of the Ktuned shifter out there. So what Ktuned did with, this is the new shifter, this is the old one. Those are both race spec shifter, and I believe from now on they're gonna be selling this style. And I kind of want to walk you guys real quick through it and show you guys the differences between the shifters. Okay, so this is the race spec, the one I had in the car, and this is the one that I just received in the mail. So I want to show you the difference, starting with the shifter arm. Okay, as you can tell, the old style has got an extra 2 bolts that go through here, right, and one at the bottom, versus this one that's actually very nice and clean, and it doesn't have nothing there. The other thing is, this one, let me put a little bit closer so you can kind of see. Can you tell the difference between these two? This actually goes straight right here. This actually goes down a little bit. You see what I'm saying? This actually goes down right there, right? That's one difference. The other difference is this. See the difference between the two? See, this is just kind of flat. This actually is smaller, and it's got a cut on the inside versus just flat right here on the side. And it's got a very nice cut. See, it's a nice and smooth versus like just straight edge, smooth right there. Yeah. The other thing we noticed is this arm right here. This arm, totally different. It's a lot bigger. See that? Versus like a lot smaller right there. This has got 2 holes that go into the bottom. This is pretty much billet right there. Also the holes are smooth versus the old ones were kind of like sharp edge. See that? Also what they did, they changed this boxing where it's boxed in. This actually is closed in. This is actually, it's open. Can you see that right there? That's actually open. Can you tell? I see one detail right here. They added a little screw right there to kind of hold that gasket, that little ring in place. They don't have one on this side, but I think it's because also it's open right here, so it has more difficult. So let's go ahead and just kind of flip it to the side here, to the other side, or let's do the front. See the difference? Can you tell? It's got a smaller hole right there, and it's got a way bigger hole right there. Can you see that? See the difference right there? It's got like a lot bigger right there. Also right here, it's just very flat. Right here, it's got a very nice cut. You know what I'm saying? Got a very nice and clean. Right? From the side. Also, this looks like it's a lot smoother versus this other one right here. Okay, let's go ahead and flip it to the side. As you can notice, same thing. Very nice and cut, very smooth edges. Very sharp here, very smooth here. Very smooth here. Very sharp edge here. See that? As you can tell, this is actually a little bit fatter and thicker. This is a lot smaller right here. See that? And it's actually taller. Can you tell the difference between the two? Also, the old shifter's got 1, 2, 3 holes. This one doesn't have any holes into it. See that? As I kind of mentioned it, see how they're different? This is just flat. It's because it kind of comes out nice and smooth. I feel like this box is more smaller and kind of suits it very nice. Also, this kind of drops down right here versus this one come way out here and then drops down. Let's go ahead and tilt it to the side. Actually, it's quite a bit of like actually differences, to be honest, you know. So as you can tell, they have a different kind of mechanism that bolts off from here to there. This has got like a bigger washer. See that? It's a lot bigger versus this one. It's a lot smaller right there. This one is kind of right at the edge. You see that? And this one's got like a whole bunch that comes through right there. See that? So it's kind of what keeps it in place right there. You know, this comes a lot farther. So it's got a lot more. This is close, and you can see actually the brass fittings inside there. I don't know if I'm mistaken, but also looks like the spring actually it's a little bit thicker than this other one. I could be wrong, but it looks like it's a little bit thicker. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's pretty much all the differences, you know, which is quite a bit if you ask me, you know. So I didn't necessarily just change it just because, you know, just want to change it, but it looks different, and it looks cleaner and it looks smoother, and yeah, I mean, I gotta put on the car and close it all up and kind of see the differences. Now the one thing is, I can tell you, sometimes you have to probably just kind of like tighten the bolts and stuff at the bottom, which this was nothing wrong with it, but since this is brand new and never being used, you got to keep in mind that this has been in my car for almost 2 years. This is new one. It has like really side to side, like no play. See, this one has a little bit, see that? And that's just from tying out the bolts too, you know. But again, like with everything, you know, I mean, this is nothing compared to factory. Factory is like actually really loose, but this one has like no play, you know. Also, it's because it's new too, so gotta keep that in mind, you know. One thing I did notice, the new one, it's got 2 screws right here. I'm not sure what those for, but it's got 2 right there. So probably in the newer cars, maybe it's got a sensor or a bracket that you can bolt it up there. So use that. Now the one thing that's cool about my old one is that everything's been polished, so you can kind of tell it's shiny. So you got some mothers, and then we're gonna have to polish this one up before it goes in the car. So yep, I better get to work. Buddy. Okay guys, so sorry about the delay there. I just kind of been busy polishing. I've been kind of busy polishing the shifter. As you can tell, there's a big difference. This one compared to that. Even this one, the one that was in the car, was polished originally. But yeah, look at this. That look clean or what? Pretty nice, right? I love this. Is my favorite part about my car. It's shifting, you know, and this thing is right here is just phenomenal. Like Ktuned did an awesome job inventing this shifter because I love it. And I'm not one of those people that like to just sell product. I'm just telling you something that I like truly believe in. This is awesome quality, you know what I mean? And it never let me down once, you know what I mean? And it's always felt great, you know what I'm saying, shifting and everything. So anyways, now I put the stoppers. So what this does, it doesn't allow you to stretch the cables past the point, so you can move this forward or backwards. And what this is right here, this is a fifth gear lockout. So what it does, it doesn't allow you, see what it does? When you try to go into fifth, and this is supposed to come back, see? It will not do it. And actually you can lock it up and down, see? You can go up with it, whatever it's easier for you, you know? So anyways guys, it's pretty much done. All polished up, ready to go. Kind of excited. Shout out to Ktuned. You guys are awesome. I know it's kind of late night being over here polishing. I might just come back tomorrow and finish it, or maybe just finish this video right now, so that way I can upload it tomorrow. You guys can check it out. But hey guys, thanks for tagging along, listening to what I have to say. Thanks for putting up with me. And yeah, like I said, if you guys like the channel, feel free to subscribe, like my videos, and also feel free to press the ring bell, so next time I upload a video, you'll be the first one to watch it. So again guys, much love, appreciate you, catch you guys next time. I know I said see you guys later, but I figure since it's in the car, I'll show you how everything looks in there. So we got the lockout right here. It's locks. I haven't bolted this piece up, but I have to go underneath the car to get the nuts in. But anyways, the fifth gear lockout goes at the bottom. Release it, and it goes on top. As that pin comes right there, doesn't allow it to go back. See? So if you release it, see, now I can go out. But I got a top part training, so I usually use my fifth gear as well, even if I race my dig. So most likely I probably won't be using much of that, but I do have it just in case, you know. But and then I have the stoppers right there, so actually you don't stretch the cables, as you can tell. When it goes in, it hits it. So we don't stretch the cables. And yeah, it's all installed. It looks great. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and then reverse. Sometimes you gotta press in the clutch to get reverse, but you can kind of tell it's not broken in yet. It's still kind of stiff a little bit, but I love it. I love it. Yeah. Yeah, it's awesome. Ktuned shifter is the bomb for sure. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate you. Catch you guys next time.